Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock Duramax turbo louder. The primary method involves reducing exhaust back pressure, which allows the turbocharger to spool up more freely. This reduction in restriction directly contributes to a more pronounced and audible turbo whistle. It's a straightforward way to enhance your truck's sound profile, often resulting in a more aggressive and satisfying engine note for enthusiasts. Upgrading your exhaust system is key. Start with an aftermarket downpipe, which replaces the restrictive factory component. Opting for a 3.5-inch or 4-inch exhaust system further reduces back pressure, allowing the turbo to sing. Removing the catalytic converter and diesel particulate filter, where legal, will also dramatically increase the turbo's audibility. Don't overlook your air intake. An open-element aftermarket air intake allows the turbo to draw in more air, enhancing its audible whoosh. Additionally, replacing the restrictive stock turbo inlet horn with an aftermarket version can further improve airflow and amplify the turbo's sound. Finally, custom engine tuning can fine-tune your turbo's spool characteristics for maximum audible effect. To achieve the loudest possible turbo sound, consider combining these modifications for a synergistic effect. Remember, always prioritize safety and ensure any modifications comply with local regulations. Professional installation is highly recommended to guarantee proper function and longevity. Also, for those interested in financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.